When John's arthritis became so bad that he couldn't cope with the stairs anymore, we thought we might have to move house. So imagine our relief when we discovered Acorn Stairlifts. They gave us a free quote and in some cases, like ours, were able to come and fit the stairlift the very next day. Acorn Stairlifts are easy to fit because they attach to the staircase, not the wall, so there was no fuss. All Acorn Stairlifts carry the Arthritis Foundation's ease of use commendation, so it was perfect for John, so easy to use. He got the hang of it immediately, and Acorn have stairlifts for all types of staircases, whether it's curved, straight, even outdoors.
It's just altered my life completely. It's given me the top half of my house back.
It's brilliant. And Acorn were brilliant too.
It just makes life much, much easier.
John's a new man now that he's got his freedom back. Thanks, Acorn. Give your life a lift. Contact Acorn today on 0800 19 19 19 for a free quote, or go to acornstairlifts.tv.